What's going on? This is your Toolbox Tutors 2-minute drill, and this will be example 1 of multiplying square roots with numbers and variables. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to multiply and simplify these two square roots. As a tool of reference when multiplying these two square roots, we have simplifying square roots over to the left. Multiplying these two square roots for example 1, we have the square root of 10a times the square root of 9a squared. First, what we'll do is take the numbers from under each radical and put them under the same radical. So we have the square root of 10 times 9. From here, we'll break down 10 times 9 to its prime factors. So the factors of 10 we have are 5 times 2, and the factors of 9 we have 3 times 3. And here we have the prime factorization of 10 times 9. From here, we'll pull out our pairs since we're dealing with square roots. And here we have a pair of 3's. So this pair of 3's come outside of the radical as 1 3, and 5 times 2 stays under the radical. We can multiply these back together to give us the square root of 10. So now we have 3 square root of 10. Next, we'll simplify the variables we have under the radical. So we'll put a times a squared under the same radical. Once again, we'll list out the prime factorization of a times a squared. A is already a prime factor, so we'll bring this down. But in order to get a squared, we can multiply a times a, so we'll bring this here. Just like when we were dealing with the numbers, we want to identify the pairs that we have, and we have one pair of a's that we can pull out as 1a outside of the radical, and we have 1a under the radical since we don't have a match to go with it. So here we have a with the square root of a. Now that we have both the numbers and the variables simplified, we can multiply these two back together and give us our final answer. So 3 times a, 3a, and what we have left under the radical, 10 times a, gives us 10a under the radical. So our final answer will be 3a with a square root of 10a. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by commenting below or by taking a picture of the problem and tagging us on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook.